Singapore is a modern, vibrant city-state in Southeast Asia known for its stunning skyline and world-class attractions. With a population of 5.7 million across 63 islands, Singapore offers endless adventures and experiences for every type of traveler. The city is renowned for its safety, having been named the world's safest travel destination for 2024. Singapore's rich multicultural heritage is reflected in its diverse neighborhoods, cuisine, and cultural offerings. As an introduction, I'll provide an overview of the top things to see and do in this dynamic city. Singapore gained independence in 1965 and has since transformed into a global economic powerhouse. The tropical climate is warm year-round, with temperatures typically between 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 26 to 32 degrees Celsius. Singapore is a multilingual country with 4 official languages: English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil. The Singapore dollar, SGD, is the official currency used throughout the country. Singapore has a tropical climate, so the weather is warm and humid year-round. The driest months are June through September, which is ideal for outdoor activities and exploring the city. November through January sees more rainfall, but this is also when you can enjoy the festive atmosphere with holiday decorations. February and March are great times to visit for the Singapore Art Week and iLight Festival, which showcase the city's creativity. July and August are popular for the Great Singapore Sale and Singapore Food Festival, which attract many visitors. No matter when you visit, there are always interesting events and activities happening in this vibrant city. Changi Airport in Singapore is consistently ranked as the world's best airport, having won this accolade for 6 consecutive years. The airport offers direct flights from over 380 cities around the globe, providing excellent global connectivity. There are 5 modern terminals at Changi Airport, which together handle over 85 million passengers annually. Flight times to Singapore vary, with average durations ranging from 13 hours from Europe to 24 hours from the US. The airport's impressive architecture, indoor waterfall, and lush greenery create a memorable first impression for visitors arriving in Singapore. Next, we will cover the key entry requirements for visiting Singapore. First, it highlights that US citizens don't need a visa for stays under 90 days, but your passport must have at least 6 months of validity remaining. Next, it advises to bring proof of onward travel, as immigration may request this, and to complete the Singapore arrival card 3 days before arrival. Finally, it cautions that Singapore has strict penalties for drugs and contraband, so it's important to familiarize yourself with prohibited items before packing. The overall message is to make sure you have the proper documentation and are aware of Singapore's entry requirements to ensure a smooth arrival. Singapore has an extensive MRT, mass rapid transit, system with over 130 stations covering the entire island, providing clean and efficient public transportation. The tourist pass offers unlimited travel on the MRT and buses for 1 to 3 days, making it an affordable way to explore Singapore. 10 to 26 Singapore dollars. Ride-sharing services like Grab provide convenient door-to-door transportation throughout the city. Many of Singapore's downtown areas are pedestrian-friendly, allowing you to easily walk between major attractions. Singapore offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. At the luxury end, the iconic Marina Bay Sands Hotel provides an unparalleled 5-star experience starting at $450 per night, with a stunning rooftop infinity pool overlooking the city skyline. For a mid-range option, boutique hotels in the vibrant Chinatown neighborhood combine convenience and character, with prices ranging from $150 to $300 per night. On the more budget-friendly side, hostels in the lively Little India area start at just $30 to $70 per night, providing clean accommodations and excellent access to public transportation. Depending on your travel style and budget, there are great options across the luxury, mid-range, and budget spectrum to consider for your Singapore accommodation. Singapore is known as one of the most expensive cities in Asia, so budgeting is important for travelers. I've broken down 3 common budget levels for visitors. Luxury experience, $250 plus per day for high-end dining and accommodations. Comfortable mid-range, $100 to $150 per person per day for most travelers. Budget conscious, $50 to $80 per day with hawker meals and public transport to save on food costs. I recommend eating at the city's famous hawker centers, where meals typically cost $3 to $6 Singapore dollars. Also consider getting a tourist pass for unlimited public transportation at $10 to $15 Singapore dollars per day. The key is to plan your budget ahead of time to ensure you have an enjoyable and affordable trip to Singapore. Gardens by the Bay is an incredible horticultural destination in Singapore, featuring stunning architectural and natural elements. The Super Tree Grove is a collection of 18 tree-like structures standing 25 to 50 meters tall, with a futuristic, organic design. The Flower Dome is the world's largest glass greenhouse, housing an incredible variety of plants from 5 continents. The Cloud Forest features a breathtaking 35-meter indoor waterfall and a lush mountain ecosystem. The Garden Rhapsody is a free nightly light show that illuminates the super trees with a mesmerizing display of light and music. These diverse attractions come together to create an unforgettable experience for visitors to Gardens by the Bay. The Marina Bay area is one of Singapore's most iconic and vibrant neighborhoods. It's home to several of the city's most famous landmarks, including the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, the Art Science Museum, and the Merlion statue. The Marina Bay Sands is a 57-story integrated resort with a hotel, casino, and the famous Sky Park observation deck on top. The Art Science Museum is a lotus-shaped architectural landmark that hosts international exhibitions blending art, science, and technology. The Merlion statue, Singapore's national symbol, is located at Merlion Park and has become an iconic part of the city's skyline. These landmarks offer visitors a chance to experience Singapore's unique blend of modern architecture, culture, and natural beauty. Singapore Zoo is a world-class wildlife experience spanning 70 acres, with over 3,600 animals from 300 different species. The Night Safari is the world's first nocturnal wildlife park, allowing visitors to see animals in their active nighttime state. River Wonders is an Asia-focused wildlife park featuring river-themed habitats and a scenic boat cruise. Jurong Bird Park is home to 3,500 birds across 400 species, set in a lush, natural environment. Sentosa Island is a popular resort destination in Singapore, connected to the mainland by various transportation options like cable car, boardwalk, and monorail. It's home to a variety of attractions, including the famous Universal Studios Singapore, the massive SEA Aquarium, and the beautiful Siloso Beach. The island offers a range of experiences, from thrilling theme park rides to serene beach getaways and fascinating marine life encounters. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the harbour and cityscape as they travel to the island via the scenic cable car. The island's lush greenery, clear waters, and sunny tropical climate make it a popular escape for both locals and tourists. Orchard Road is Singapore's premier shopping destination, a 2.2-kilometer stretch of luxury boutiques and department stores that attract fashionistas from around the world. Haji Lane is a trendy area with narrow, colorful streets housing independent boutiques and vintage shops, a great place to find unique souvenirs and fashion pieces. Bugis Street Market is a massive market with over 800 stalls offering affordable merchandise. From clothing and accessories to electronics and souvenirs, you can find great bargains here. Singapore's hawker culture has been recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO in 2020. There are 114 hawker centers across Singapore, serving as vibrant community hubs. Some must-visit hawker centers include Maxwell Food Center, Lau Pa Sat, and take center meals at hawker centers are very affordable, typically costing between 3 to 7 Singapore dollars per dish. Signature Singaporean specialties include chicken rice, laksa, chili crab, and satay. Singapore is renowned for its vibrant and diverse food culture, with a range of iconic dishes that are must-tries for any visitor. Hainanese chicken rice is the national dish, featuring tender poached chicken served with fragrant rice. It's a staple that can be found at hawker centers for just 4 to 6 Singapore dollars. Chili crab is a signature seafood dish with a sweet spicy tomato gravy. Premium restaurants serve this delicacy for $40 to $60 per crab. Laksa is a spicy coconut milk noodle soup that blends Chinese and Malay influences. It's a delicious and affordable option at 4 to 7 Singapore dollars from local eateries. Kaya toast is a traditional breakfast item, featuring coconut jam toast, soft-boiled eggs, and coffee. The complete set costs just 3 to 5 Singapore dollars. These are some of the must-try Singaporean dishes that showcase the incredible diversity and affordability of the city's renowned food scene. Makrichi Reservoir Park is a nature reserve in Singapore with diverse activities and ecosystems to explore. The Treetop Walk is an 8 km hiking trail featuring a suspended bridge 25 meters above the forest floor. Visitors can spot native wildlife like macaques, flying lemurs, and monitor lizards in their natural habitat. Rent kayaks or canoes to explore the reservoir from the water. The 11 km perimeter trail takes hikers through different forest environments around the park. Fort Siloso on Sentosa Island is Singapore's only preserved coastal fort, offering a fascinating look into the island's military history. Visitors can explore original coastal artillery and military equipment from the former British naval base on the island. Interactive exhibits and recreated scenes allow you to learn about the fort's role during World War II in an engaging way. Venture through the network of underground tunnels that were used for wartime operations, giving you a glimpse into the fort's strategic defenses. This historic site provides a unique opportunity to step back in time and immerse yourself in Singapore's military heritage. The Sri Mariamman Temple is Singapore's oldest Hindu temple, established in 1827. It served as an important community center for early Indian immigrants to Singapore. The temple's architecture is a stunning example of Dravidian style, featuring a colorful and ornate gopuram entrance tower. The detailed sculptures on the gopuram depict Hindu deities and mythological scenes. Visitors are welcome to enter the temple, but modest dress is required and shoes must be removed before going inside. Photography is allowed, but a small donation is appreciated. Singapore offers a variety of free cultural experiences for visitors to enjoy. The Singapore Symphony Orchestra performs outdoor concerts in the evenings. The Spectra Light and Water Show at Marina Bay features colorful projections on the water at night. The Singapore National Gallery offers guided tours on Sundays to explain the artwork. The Super Tree Grove at Gardens by the Bay has impressive light performances in the evenings. The Singapore Botanic Gardens provide peaceful walking paths and beautiful scenery, especially in the mornings. Pulau Ubin is a rustic island just off the coast of Singapore, where you can step back in time and experience traditional kampong village life. Rent a bicycle to explore the island, taking in the mangroves, quarries, and other natural sights. It's a great way to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in a more tranquil, rural setting. Johor Bahru, just across the border in Malaysia, offers a chance to experience Malaysian culture and cuisine. It's only a 30-minute train ride from Singapore, making it an easy day trip. You can enjoy shopping, try local food, and visit cultural attractions in this vibrant city. Batam, an Indonesian island, is just a 45-minute ferry ride from Singapore. It's known for its seafood, spas, and affordable shopping. Take a day to relax on the beach, indulge in some pampering, and pick up some bargains. Singapore's National Museum offers a deep dive into the country's rich cultural heritage through interactive exhibits and artifacts. The Art Science Museum is a must-visit for those interested in the intersection of art and technology. Immersive digital installations create truly unique experiences. The National Gallery houses the world's largest collection of Southeast Asian art, showcased in the stunning former Supreme Court building. Iron Orchard is a premium shopping destination with luxury boutiques and excellent dining options all under one roof. These are just a few of the great indoor activities available on a rainy day in Singapore. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Singapore is a fantastic destination for families. With a wide range of engaging and educational attractions, the Singapore Zoo is a world-class zoo that allows visitors to get up close with a variety of animals in a natural setting. Universal Studios Singapore is a must-visit theme park with thrilling rides and immersive experiences. The Singapore Science Centre is an interactive museum that brings science to life through hands-on exhibits and demonstrations. Kidzania is a unique indoor city where kids can role-play different professions and learn about the adult world. Wild Wet is a water park that offers a fun and refreshing way to beat the tropical heat. Singapore's tap water is very high quality and safe to drink, so you can save money by avoiding bottled water. Chewing gum is banned in Singapore, so don't bring any packs with you. This helps keep the city clean. Littering is strictly enforced with hefty fines, so always use the designated trash bins to dispose of your waste properly. Singapore uses UK-style 3-pin power outlets, so make sure to bring a travel adapter if you need to charge your devices. Singapore is a highly developed, modern city with a diverse population and vibrant culture. The city skyline reflects this, with a mix of modern high-rises and traditional architecture. As an international hub, English is widely spoken and understood in Singapore. This makes it easy for visitors to communicate and get around. However, learning a few basic Singlish expressions, like adding la for emphasis or using can to mean yes, can help you connect more with locals and have more natural conversations. Singapore is a multilingual society, with signs often appearing in the 4 official languages: English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil. Knowing some simple Mandarin greetings can be appreciated, especially when visiting areas like Chinatown. The key is to be open and adaptable. With English as a common language, and an understanding of local linguistic nuances, you'll be able to navigate Singapore's diverse cultural landscape with ease. Singapore is consistently ranked as one of the safest cities in the world, with a very low crime rate and excellent law enforcement. The city has world-class medical facilities, though travel insurance is still recommended. Here are the key emergency contact numbers to keep in mind. Police, 999, Ambulance, 995, Tourist Assistance, 1-800-736-2000. Safety and security are top priorities for visitors to Singapore. You can feel confident exploring the city with these precautions in place. Singapore is a highly connected and digital-savvy city, making it easy for visitors to stay connected and access information on the go. Free public Wi-Fi is available at over 10,000 hotspots across the country, allowing you to easily access the internet. Tourist SIM cards sold at the airport provide affordable mobile data plans, so you can stay connected with your loved ones and access information throughout your trip. Cashless payments are widely accepted, with options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and contactless cards, so you don't have to worry about carrying a lot of cash. Download essential apps like the SGMRT map, Grab for transportation, and Trace Together for easier navigation and contact tracing during your stay. Singapore is a densely populated urban environment, yet it has achieved an impressive 46% green coverage across the city. The city leads in eco-friendly tourism, with carbon-neutral attractions like the iconic Gardens by the Bay setting the standard for sustainable development. Green Mark certified buildings throughout Singapore incorporate innovative sustainable design principles, showcasing the city's commitment to green architecture. Initiatives like the Sky Greens vertical farming system are addressing food security and promoting urban agriculture in innovative ways. Singapore Flyer is Asia's largest observation wheel, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city skyline. The Southern Ridges is a 10 km elevated forest trail that connects several parks, featuring stunning architectural walkways through the lush canopy. Pulau Ubin is a rustic island that offers a glimpse into traditional Singaporean kampong life, a refreshing contrast to the modern city. Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve is a nature haven where visitors can spot a variety of migratory birds in their natural habitats.